So we got this situation. You have to find out the number of rational term in the binomial expansion of this. So it is root 2 plus 7 times root 8 power 41. Now, so we are interested in finding number of rational term. So let's proceed. So you know that we will follow general method, general term, which says it is 41 CR. So 2 to the power 1 by 2 power I don't know 7 to the power into 8 power 1 by 2. Okay, power R. So if this is R, this is 41 minus R. Okay, now you know that we have to convert things into primes. Okay, so irrational thing has to be in the form of primes. Okay, so can I write this thing as 41 CR 2 to the power 41 minus R by 2 into 7 to the power R into, we can write 8 as 2 power 3. Okay, 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 by 2, 3R by 2. This is okay or not? Correct? Now, so we got this situation. Now you know that this 2 and this 2 is same thing. So let's combine all of them. So 41 CR into 7 power R base same. So power will be added. So it is 41 minus nahi plus 2R by 2. Okay. Now look at this. You know that this will always be integer. This thing will always be integer. Okay. Now we want the number of rational term. So everything depends upon this person. This means what? This 41 plus 2R by 2 has to be an integer. Correct or wrong? Now look at this. So we will try to find out those r's. Now look at this. This 41 is an odd number for sure. This is even number for sure. For any r, you know r will be whole number. So r can be even, r can be odd. But if you multiply it with 2, it will become even. So even plus odd will always be odd. So odd divided by 2 will never produce an integer. Correct or wrong? So this element, this 2 power something, will never give you a rational thing. So every term is irrational only. Okay, so the number of rational term is 0. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.